Not bad at all, Tegan. A few mullet. There's your spray, and my bunions.
Ran over our own anchor rope.
Come on, Bream. Oh no, it's
We're on the water.
Here we are on the water. Finally, it's been like 5 weeks.
It really has. Yeah.
It's been blowing 30 knots for 5 weeks.
It's still blowing about 25 knots, but here we are. We plan. Oh, someone's coming.
Oh shit! All right, we'll come back.
Shame.
Okay, shame job. So they're gone now. So just take two at this intro.
Yeah.
It's been really windy, so we're going to go fishing today up the creek.
Trying to catch anything really. A barrow would be nice, a jack would be nice, but honestly, it's just good to be on the water.
I just want to hear my reel go zzz.
Yeah.
But it's all catch and release today. We're just going to let everything go.
Yeah, we've got enough finger mark in the freezer, so yeah, and it's Bubba's first boat trip.
Bubba the boat dog.
She's absolutely loving it so far.
And we've brought her a little rod. It's Bubba's beef stick. I'll show you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here's Bubba's beef stick.
Yeah.
So it's a little kid's rod.
What's the bet that one goes off?
Yeah, I reckon it's going to go screaming.
Yeah. But yeah, should be a good day. It's nice. First of all, we got to catch some liveys and we'll take it from there.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go. Sorry, for some reason it was tapping over there.
Okay.
So we're just about to cast for some bait. Tegan's just getting the net ready. We're going to have a little cast over there.
I feel out of practice on the boat, eh?
Yeah, it's been so long. I feel weird. Like, I actually feel nervous. I'm going to poo myself.
Seen a couple of people on the water. Boat's going like a dream, even though she hasn't been started in 5 weeks.
Yeah, don't jinx her. Cast.
Would have been able to go further if you picked up the GoPro sooner.
Sorry. It's all my fault.
I would have thrown it further from back here.
Good job, Tegan. Just don't mind the dead ones in there. I don't know if we should show that. Not bad at all, Tegan. A few mullet. Bubba, they are mullet. Just so you know.
This one looks snaggy AF, but I'm gonna throw it anyway.
You gotta risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah.
Oh, there's prawns.
Oh,
Are you snagged?
full net, full net.
No way.
Full net.
Of what?
I don't know, maybe not full net, but there's some in there.
Oh, whoa, there's
It's
a barra in there.
That's what it was.
Oh, ow, it just elbowed me in the head.
Sorry.
Nice barra. At least you caught one today.
It felt fuller than what it was.
Oh, awesome. Good mullet in there. Oh, risked it for the biscuit. Oh, God, we're about to go into a snag here.
Hold it right out.
Yeah. Metery. Tegan's already got a metery. And a few mullet.
I threw it back out.
Cool.
Nice.
Good job.
Happy with that.
Yes, very happy.
One more throw and I think we're good for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just going to put some Mozzie spray on because it is really bad. I'm getting eaten alive. Got a Mozzie spray on my bunions.
Bubba's eating a dead fish.
Nice, go Bubba. See if I can open the net as good as you. So you've been getting some pancakes.
Brittany's turn to throw the net. My turn to drive. We've already picked out our spot to drive. Oh, there's a little inlet in there, Brittany.
That's what I was just pointing at.
Oh, sorry, I thought we were going at this.
No.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Lucky we cleared that up then.
Lucky I would have driven you the other way.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, let's do this. Nice, quick.
Oh, it's on the tree.
Yeah, I've seen that. Anything?
Nothing.
Okay. Alright, no worries.
Big swing, no ding. Yeah.
Oh, elbow slapper.
Yeah, elbow slapper.
Oh, nice.
Lollipop. Only one though, but he's a big one.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That could be slab bait.
Nah, we'll chuck him on.
Oh, you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, nice.
Could get a big one.
Okay, well, I'm going to keep going up. What do you reckon? I'll just go fish.
I reckon we just go fish, but it's up to you.
Okay, no.
We've probably got about 15 in there.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. I'll go back. Do you want to go fish them snags?
Yeah.
Yeah. So on the way here, we've seen some snags, and we literally said, let's fish them. So
They look really good.
we'll go back there. You happy?
Yes, I'm happy. We've got an elbow slapper. I'm happy.
Brittany, she sounded up some fish that are hanging off this green tree here. So plan is to throw the front anchor. You need me to throw it right now, don't you?
Oh, yeah, soon, in a second.
Alright, I'll give you this.
So we're going to throw the front anchor in the middle, here, and then we'll use our little back grapple hook.
For the back anchor.
Yeah. Oh, my keys. Oh, imagine if they went in then.
They would have surely floated.
Yeah, they would have. Oh, wow. That wasn't good.
We just ran over our own anchor rope.
Can you turn me? Okay. We're going to try and turn around.
It's too windy on this corner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
We just literally got our own anchor rope stuck. We're going to pull it in.
Yeah, let's move. Alright, we've moved spots. We've found another snag that's a bit more out of the wind. So hopefully it's a bit easier to anchor and we don't run over our own anchor rope. We're so good, eh?
Brittany was like, where's the anchor rope? Go, go, go.
Bang, gone.
There it is.
Alright, let's anchor up.
Lucky
Hopefully there's no wasps.
Lucky I turned around when I bloody did.
GoPro shows that it's really far away, but we're like 5-10 meters from the snag, not even that.
I would say about 30-40 meters.
Yeah, probably, yeah, a good 100 meter spread.
That's okay. Shade.
Ah,
No
we
wind.
love shade.
No wind, shade. We are in a bit of a, like, the water looks really like dirty. I reckon we're in a bit of a dirty water line. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon we are too. But there's all the rods. We're about to chuck some big baits on them.
You gonna put that big one on?
Yes, definitely. Need to put a 6-0 on.
Let's do this.
Alright. Alright, there's my big mullet that I'm chucking on. Got a 6-0 hook. Gonna chuck it right in the snags.
I'm getting an umbrella ready.
And Tegan's getting an umbrella ready because the sun's coming in from that angle and she doesn't like it. So we're putting an umbrella up. That doesn't fly away.
Nice. What was that?
Oh, that was a hook flying off.
Yeah. Yeah, the sun was coming in from that way, so now it's not. Okay, so now that we've got the shade sorted, so good. Brittany has set up, yours is a dropper rig, hey?
Yeah.
Mine's going to be a dropper rig, or is a dropper rig. I'm just going to put bait on it. Papa's baby rod is going to be a running, and then that one's going to be
another dropper.
And we're going to put livey on mine, Brittany's got a livey on hers. This one's going to be dead squid, and Bubba's baby rod's going to be
Dead squid as well, yeah.
Yeah.
See what goes off.
I reckon Bubba's is going to go first, eh?
Bubba's beef stick.
Mm.
Yeah, it's going to go off, I reckon.
You ready to reel it in, Bubba?
It's going to be an elbow slapper of a whiting.
That's my little levy, and I'm gonna hook it through the tail right about here. That's mine, and Brittany reckons she got a hit by hers before.
Yeah, I don't know.
She's
probably just tripping.
We'll see. So we got all... Oh no, this one's not out yet.
No, that one's only got 8 pounds on it, so hopefully we don't get railed on that.
Well, you know what? We probably will now.
Yeah, that'll be the one that goes off.
Okay.
Oh my goodness gracious me.
I'm gonna bring it... Oh,
Oh
goodness.
god.
I'm gonna come over here.
Yep.
This is on dead squid.
Sorry, I'll move.
No, it's okay, Brittany.
Sorry to do that to you.
No, it's okay. Did we even bring a net?
Oh no.
Oh,
You're kidding.
I'm not.
We've got no net. Okay, alright.
Oh,
Oh.
it's a catfish.
Yuck. Yuck. What a feral. Alright, I'll get the pliers. We'll just try and let him off while he's in the water.
Yeah.
Absolutely disgusting. You love catching them, hey Tegan?
They're my favourite fish.
Yeah, I know. How do you feel about catching your favourite fish?
I'm stoked, eh?
That was a really good catty.
Yeah, it was, eh?
Yuck.
Hopefully we catch something other than a catfish.
Yes, hopefully.
Brittany's on to another catfish.
Here we go.
Come on, Brittany.
Oh no, it's a big brim!
Show us. Show us now, Brittany.
We got no net, we got no net.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That's
Holy
a big,
bejeebers!
that is a big brim.
That's
I
gotta,
reckon that's 30 centimetres.
that's gotta be the biggest brim I've ever seen in my life.
Well done, Brittany.
I actually came out here today chasing brim, so I'm absolutely stoked with that.
Mission success.
Yes!
Oh,
Oh,
oh. Oh, bite time is now,
here we
apparently.
go, here we go.
How big is she, Brittany?
Alright, here we go. I'll give her a proper measure.
80, 30.
Wow. 34.
Yeah.
That is a good brim, eh?
Yeah.
Proper. Here,
Brim-
let me do the hold up.
Yep, hang on.
Big hold up for a big brim. Look at that.
Woohoo!
Elbow slapping brim. Look at, I reckon that is. Oh, elbow slapper.
Easily.
Alright, we're going to release this absolute monster of a brim.
Catch of the day, I reckon.
Yeah, that is catch of the day. Yep, there he goes.
Swam off beautifully. Well done, Brittany.
Yeah, thank you.
Better than my
Stoked with that.
catfish. Yeah.
Yeah, better than a catfish for sure.
Brittany just ripped the hook out of a fish's mouth.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, Bubba's baby rod's getting bites.
Oh, he's taking me big mullet, I reckon.
Your big one?
Yeah, bum hole.
Was that the big? No, your big one was
Yeah.
on the other one. Or
No.
did you swap rod holders?
Yeah, he's taking it. What a bum.
What do you reckon that was?
Barrel. Meter barrel. God dang it.
I'm going to say a 1.2. $1.20 barrel.
I was hoping it was a big brim, actually.
So it's lunchtime and we're just making some ham, cheese, lettuce, and chip buddies.
Girlfriend.
Yum. Yum. The final product.
It's really good, yeah.
Yum. I'm excited. Brittany throwing the rod back in. Whole boat's rocking. Oh, you just got signal then. We're trying to check the bomb because we can hear thunder and there is quite the large dark cloud there, but it wasn't forecast rain, so I think we'll be okay.
She'll be right.
I'm not fussed if we get a bit wet. Hey,
Yeah, no, I'm alright.
Yeah.
I'm keen for that.
You love getting wet, huh?
I love it so much.
Just had it. Oh, that is thunder.
Definitely thunder. But yeah, we were just like saying there's no fish in this creek, and then we got a good hit.
Yeah, we basically caught the only bream and catfish in this creek earlier, but then we got a hit.
So there must be something else in here.
Or it's the same catfish or bream.
Yeah.
Yeah. That must mean though, because doesn't the barometric pressure change?
Yeah, when there's a storm around.
Yeah. So no wonder we're not catching any barramundi.
No wonder we're catching nothing.
Yeah. Because the barometric pressure.
Yeah, it's definitely the barometric pressure.
It's not us.
It's not us at all.
No. Caught all the fish in this particular creek.
Yeah, there's no more fish left in the creek, so we're going to go and move to another spot, to another creek, just up and around and over there, and you take a left and then a right and then another left and then you're there. So yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna pull anchors, go over there, try for a bit, and then head home because yeah, it's just nice to be on the water. We're just packing up the canopy, and Brittany got a huge hit. Are you still on?
Yeah, it's probably a big bream.
Goodbye, bream spot.
Goodbye, big bream spot. Got my socks on, ready for the midges to attack.
I've already got mine on. Let's do this.